definitely recall that thing being a lot shorter. Oh, well, that's not good. Let's do that again, huh? I think I can make that work. Just gonna give it a go. All right, this is a perfect example of do as I say, not as I do. Cause yeah, we're just gonna make that happen. Now, is this a smart thing to do? No, but like I said, I'm making a judgment call for myself. I said I'd be here, and I'm not wasting time and money and gas because it's about an hour away, so it's stable enough. And I got the blackout backpack, baby. So we did do this bad boy. Last time I was at this job, I replaced the condenser fan motor. Not on this. That shouldn't be, that's no good. I'm surprised they ain't got no. There's our drain. Well, here it is. So I'll reconnect that shit. Yeah, but it was a good day that day. This actually was kind of a shitty situation. Lennox screwed that one up. They said they were delivering out the curb, but they didn't that day, and it was a whole fucking mess. The guy was on his way. We got the crane here, disconnected the unit, had it ready to go down, and they said it wouldn't be here for like another 2 days. I'm like, they reimbursed us the crane and shit, but I ended up having to rework it, which was quite a fun time when you were ready to demo and work. Anyways, done talking. Let's rip it open, just do a quick maintenance on this thing, inspect it, filters, yada, yada, yada. Y'all get it. Boom, let's get it. But what I end up doing, y'all already know. We take pictures of everything. All right, so we'll get pictures of that missing, that there, and then what I like to do, I get a wide shot. And even though we have all this in our records as well, we're gonna take photos of that. That way we got it. Cool. Let me go grab an elbow. Oh, well, there's your fucking problem. And I don't have fucking PVC. Oh my God, this is fucking stupid. All right. Oh, you know what? I lied to y'all. Bada bing, bada boom. I didn't even need to go down. That'll do for now. Whatchamacallit, the ground, nothing on ground, go to each leg, nothing. Boom. Y'all know the deal. Photos for days. And then just make sure you get a picture of the microfarads on there for our records again. I'm gonna get pictures of this contactor, this transformer, delay. That way we have everything. CYA. We're good. Visible. Alright, got that, and then we'll go wide shot so we know, hey, we got 4 of them bad bitches in here. Get a picture of your belt size. Make sure it's visible. 840. Coo-coo, ka-choo-choo. I went down once. I'm sure I can do it again. To go get that 90 that I didn't need. Safety first, y'all. Just hold on to the conduit. Boom. This ladder's so like... Alright, this should go without saying. Don't be like me. Don't do that dumb shit on the ladder. So, what I really wanted to demonstrate here in this video was the purpose of documentation, man. Take care of everything. Cover your assets. You want to be able to put this inside of your software, which I use FieldPulse, the #1 rated field service management software out there, because I like doing #1 things. I like things that are #1. You get it. But what I do, as you saw, I take everything on my phone, I take pictures, and I also have a tabletito, and I just airdrop all my pictures from here to here. Simply just gonna go back into my photos here, and I'm gonna select simply the ones from today's job, which are gonna be all this rooftop, right? Rooftop. Boom, we got it all the measurements, all the pictures of the data that we're gonna need, right? And then I'm gonna airdrop it just directly over to my tablet. Bada bing, bada boom. It's easy that way, it's preparing it. All right, so now that it's over into my tablet, what I can simply do is just go right over to FieldPulse, open up the app. It's a beautiful thing because we like beautiful things, right? Super seamless, easy, right? For the sake of everybody here. I'm gonna go to my calendar. Like I said, everything's just right here, right on the tablet. All right, perfect, we're in here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go work ourselves over to our files. Simply that easy. You can go upload. And what's great about this is you can upload up to 50 pictures at one time, which is fantastic. And then, just click on all the ones you want. I don't need a picture of the screenshot. You know, you just go through and you take a quick, and that's not part of the job. Boom, done. Simply that easy. They're going. It's going to compress it if you want to. Upload. So your files are uploading in the background. I can do it without it. And at the same time, if I take any videos, all I have to do is attach a file, and I can do it from my library, my file library, or from my phone. From my phone. That way, I can simply send them exactly my readings. If I need to say, hey, this is your unit, that way it covers my fucking ass. It covers the company's ass, right? It covers your ass as a technician. Take as many pictures and videos as possible, man. Document everything. Do it! Take as many pictures as possible. Videos if you need to. Showing your surrounding area real quick. Hey, this is a grounded compressor. That way they don't think you're screwing them. Especially if you're on a rooftop like this. Just take a picture. Hey, this is where I'm at. Boom. Show the readings on your meter. 5-10 seconds. Upload it right into FieldPulse, man. And that way, if they call the office or they want to talk directly to management or anything like that and say, your guy wasn't here, you have proof. It's dated. It's timed. Stay on top of your documentation. Use FieldPulse. There's a link down below, man. Click the link. Get in touch with them. It's awesome. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all could, smash the like button. Consider subscribing. All my subscribers, I appreciate y'all. And Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year's. Everybody have a blessed one. I appreciate you guys sticking around for 2024. Let's see what 2025 brings us. It's going to be a new year. Same shit though. Let's get after it. I appreciate y'all again. Thank you so much for the support. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Later.